Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Clitoris.
Let's break it down.
This word often makes people hesitate, but the correct way is clitoris. Start with cli, then a soft t, and end with ris. Smooth and clear. Clitoris. Some also say clitoris, but the most accepted pronunciation is clitoris. Now let's practice it together 3 times. Ready? Clitoris. 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 If you nailed it all 3 times, you just mastered a word that many people shy away from saying correctly.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Clitoris, 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 clitoris.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.